My Balanced Pantry Box is here, so it is time to restock the pantry. This monthly subscription box will send you items just like that for your pantry. It is so easy, so convenient. This will have a variety of flavors, variety of products inside of this box, and you don't even have to leave your house. So I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside of the February 2026 box today. And let me tell you, there is a lot inside of this box. So first up, we have a red chili sauce. This is from a brand called Everyday. So this chili sauce is vegan and gluten-free as well. It is a full-size product. And as you can probably tell, there are some red chilies in there. So this chili sauce is made with extra virgin olive oil. There's red chilies, lime, and then also pitted dates. So this is an easy sauce that can stay in your pantry as long as it's stayed sealed, then it will be fresh. Once you break the seal, you are going to need to put it in the refrigerator, but I think that's pretty normal. But you can throw this on some different meat. I'm thinking like a taco meat, do some burritos, do some tacos, something like that. Maybe an enchilada sauce even. But see, this gives you ideas on what to do for dinner. I swear, figuring out what I'm gonna eat for dinner is like a lifelong challenge, but it does make it a little bit easier when I get ideas with this box. So thank goodness I've at least got this box to help me. So the next item that we have in here, ooh, it's ramen. This is Kraft Ramen. It's vegetarian kimchi ramen soup from Mike's Mighty Good. So this is what it looks like here. These are the organic ramen noodles. Ooh, I'm excited for this. So this is made from scratch. They're all organic. And it says that you'll taste the difference and savor the good. They have some recommendations for like toppings on here, like the kimchi, the onions, things like that, mushrooms. But then they give you all of your instructions on the side on how to cook it. But this is awesome. And I do feel like it's a staple for the pantry, right? We additionally have some protein pretzels. These ones are flavored as bougie mustard. So it's not your regular mustard, it is the bougie mustard. So the brand is Lenny and Larry, and they call these Fitzels. So they're fit, but they're pretzels. I think that's actually super cute. But then these pretzels not only taste amazing, they have 20 grams of protein in this entire bag. Ooh, now this looks amazing. We have a salad topper. So it's a protein topper that has edamame, cranberries, cashews, and sunflower seeds. To be honest with you guys, I feel like I could eat this just the way it is. Like I wouldn't even need to put it on a salad, but this would also be a great dinner idea again. So if you want to just, make up a nice salad for dinner, throw this on top, spruce it up a little bit. This looks so good. I love every one of those ingredients, so I'm very excited. I'm already like, this may get eaten right away. I think this is gonna be dinner tonight. But full-size bag as well, so that's the other thing that's nice about this subscription is getting the full-size products. What else is in our pantry? We have granola clusters next. I feel like granola is a staple in a pantry. So this one is flavored as birthday cake. What? Okay, this just totally ups the game, you guys. I was already excited with the granola clusters, but now you're telling me it tastes like birthday cake, and now I'm really excited. So these clusters are gluten-free. They're also climate-friendly. That's interesting. You don't see that every day. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and all organic. 6 ounces on here. These are plant-based protein balls, and they also have fiber in them. So there's buckwheat seeds in here. So apparently buckwheat is an addictive crunch, and it says it'll be your new favorite fruit seed. I didn't realize it was a fruit seed. And then it says you're gonna love incorporating this into your diet. Oh, so it features protein and prebiotic fiber within the buckwheat, which that's the main ingredient in these clusters. So this is what they look like. They look delicious. I don't really know anything about buckwheat, so this is new to me. But again, this is why I love getting this box every month, because you get something different and something new to try. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Tiki masala. This is the simmer sauce. All you need to do is add the chicken and you're gonna have homemade tiki masala. This is awesome. So this is an Indian recipe. It's from Saffron Road. You're gonna put this into a skillet, add your chicken, saute it through, and then it's ready to go. They do recommend you make some rice and pair it with the rice, which I would recommend that also. Oh, You guys, look at how many dinner options I have. I can't decide now if I want to do this or if I should do the salad. I guess technically that's the beauty of it being in the pantry. I don't have to decide and I can choose it for different nights. So the next item that we have in here is actually a tea box. This is Blue Nile Chamomile. So there are 18 tea bags inside of this box. It's all made in Canada and it is naturally caffeine free. So this is the kind of tea you want to take right before bed that will help you to relax before you go to sleep. Chamomile is so good at helping me to relax, and I do love a good cup of tea right before bed. There's something very comforting about it. So this one is all chamomile flavored inside of the box. You got 18 of them. They're gonna last you the whole month. Hey, look at this. We got rice. I didn't know this was in the box, but we've got rice now. So we have rice cooked in bone broth. This is a Spanish rice. This is from the brand A Dozen's Cousins. So this is chicken bone broth that it's been cooked in, and all you gotta do is open up the top. You can microwave this to heat it up, and then it's ready to go. So again, if you are looking for quick dinner options, you've got this that is super simple and easy. We've got the red chili sauce from earlier. All you really need is a protein, and then you are good to go. I am all about easy and convenience, you guys, so this is perfect. Now, the last item inside of our Balanced Pantry Box is this seasoning mix. It's from the brand Riga, and this is a chicken taco seasoning mix. So they mention all you need is the chicken. You can throw in the seasoning mix then, and they do recommend you mix in like some onions and tomatoes to really give it all that flavor. Again, you don't have to, that's totally optional, but to really bring it to life, that's the full recommendation. So this is gluten-free, it is USDA organic, vegan as well, and it's actually kosher. And they recommend to do this in a slow cooker. So see, there's another great option. You could do it before you go to work. Just throw in your meat, throw in your seasoning. Then you come home, make your rice. Oh my gosh, I totally can see my whole night planned out. This is great. So that is everything inside of the Balanced Pantry Box. If you guys want to get this subscription, I will be posting a link down below. This gives you not only the idea of what to expect every month, but how nice and convenient is it to not have to guess about what you're making for dinner. You're going to get all of the ideas included in your monthly box. So comment down below and let me know, what did you guys think of this month's box? But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!